Hey guys, welcome back. Simply Rosita. Today I am unboxing another Temu haul. And this one is a bedspread that I got for my bedroom. And of course, these packages are a pain to open and I'm trying not to rip them because I have to store them back in there until I'm ready to use them. So hang on, let me try to get in there. Okay guys, so I got it out. This is a first. It's the first time I've gotten a package from Temu with a packing slip. Okay guys, so on here it says I guess this would be a purchase order receipt. And it says creamy white. And I got the king size because I was scared to purchase it because I have a queen size bed, but I was scared to purchase the queen size because it's Chinese brand, and I made the mistake of buying a queen bedspread once and it was too small. The fitted sheet was too small, as well as the flat sheet itself. So this is it. I'm not gonna open it. I do like the feel of it. It's not, I guess this would be cool. This is a color. It's more like a beige color, which I am going for because my room, the theme for my room will be beige, white, and green. Homey colors. Like, yeah. It's so soft. Oh my god. I wish I could use it right now. It's so soft and I love the floral. This is freaking good. I might get some more. And I paid $6 for this. $6.87. It was originally $19.82 and it was on sale for $13.88. And I used a $10 coupon, got it down to $3.88, and then I paid the shipping for $2.99. So that's how I got it for $6.87. This isn't bad, and it's very thick. Even though it says on the thing that I took out, it said lightweight, not too hot, not too cold, just right, which is freaking accurate. And it says as soft as your mom. Cotton Passion embossed bedspread set, superior quality and luxurious spreads. I am definitely getting more of this brand. If I should order more quilts from Temu, I'm definitely getting it. The pillowcases are huge. This is like 4 feet wide, the pillowcase. And I got 2. I'm loving this. I am obsessing with this right now. So that means the spread itself is the actual king size, which is going to be great because then I can do different ways of putting it on. This is nice. It's thin, but the pillowcases feels more thicker. It's actually thin, but I'm loving this. When you put this on your bed, you can lay on it without having to spread it, and you can cover with this. I love it. It's soft. It's lightweight. You're not gonna get hot during the summertime, which my country is very hot. And look at that. Love it. I love it. I absolutely love it. This might just be one of my favorite things that I've ever bought from Temu, and I'm definitely 10 out of 10 getting more because I need more than one bedspread. what happens when I need to change it. I'm gonna try to get it in another color because I love the design on it, the boho vibe, and all of that good stuff. 10 out of 10, recommend this. And for the price that I got it on, definitely gonna follow the supplier, and I'm definitely gonna look out for more sales so I can get some more. Delivery was quick. I got it pretty fast too. FedEx was the courier, and I got this. It came in this bag. This nice little rope so I can store it back in there, or anything else that I want to store in there. Anyway guys, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Help the channel grow. And if you want to see how I use all these products that I'm purchasing from Temu or whatever, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification, follow my journey. I will be posting the entire works, from the building to the projects to the decor, everything. Thank you for watching again. Bye bye.